Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to export your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're preparing for tax season, doing an internal audit, or just want a backup of your financial data, this quick process will save you a ton of time and effort. So let's get straight into it. First things first, open your preferred browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Click Sign In, and if you're using QuickBooks Online, make sure to select that option, enter your username and password, then complete the multi-factor authentication if it's turned on. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Ready to go now. On the left-hand menu, click Accounting. From the drop-down options, select Chart of Accounts. Here you'll see a complete list of all your accounts, assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. To make it easier to review, click Run Report. This generates a clean formatted report of your entire chart of accounts, perfect for exporting once your report is open. Look for the More Actions button at the top right. Click it. Then choose Export to Excel. QuickBooks will process the file, and within a few seconds, your download will begin. After it's complete, check your Downloads folder, open the Excel file, and verify that all your account details have been exported correctly. And that's it. You've just exported your full chart of accounts from QuickBooks Online in just a few minutes. This exported file is perfect for audits, financial analysis, or sharing data with your accountant. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more step-by-step QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.